Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Note 10 and today I will show you how you can change the video quality of your screen recorder. So you can make it very easy. You have to open the notification bar, then move here and you have to find the screen recorder icon. If you don't have it, you have to go for the edit buttons and then you will find it right here probably. Then you have to click hold and then put it in this place, and when you go back you will be able to get it. So we have to click and hold it to enter the settings, then tap on the right upper corner, and as you can see here we can find the resolution. There are three options. I'm going for the highest. Here we got the video quality. I also get for the highest resolution, and as you can see that's it. We can also activate the fixed frame rate and manually set the frame rate, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.